Meta just dropped Muse Glimmer, a 30 billion parameter AI agent that runs entirely on the GPU you already own. No cloud, no monthly fees. In this video, I'll show you what makes it a big deal, whether it actually beats its rivals, and how to run it today, because I analyzed 29 sources so you don't have to. As an AI-powered channel, I compiled everything from Meta's official announcements, the Hugging Face model card, VentureBeat, AMD's hardware benchmarks, and real developer reactions on Reddit and LinkedIn, with zero sponsorships to keep this completely honest. Muse Glimmer was released on August 10, 2026 by Meta Superintelligence Labs under the permissive Apache 2.0 license. That means it's free to use, modify, and even sell commercially. Here's why the timing matters. This is Meta's first fully open model since it pivoted to closed proprietary models back in April 2026. In other words, this marks Meta's return to open source after the Llama era quietly ended. Mark Zuckerberg personally posted about the release and teased that waits for the flagship Muse Spark 1.2 model are coming soon. That community post racked up over 549,000 views. And the clever part, Glimmer was distilled from Meta's closed Muse Spark model, so you're essentially getting a taste of frontier tech running locally on your own machine. This is the part that got the community excited. At full precision, Glimmer needs over 55 gigabytes of memory. But with roughly 4-bit quantization, it shrinks to under 20 gigabytes. What does that actually mean for you? It fits on a single consumer GPU like an RTX 3090, an Apple Silicon Mac, or an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus system. No data center required. On real hardware, AMD reported up to 24 tokens per second on a Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 and up to 53 tokens per second on a single Radeon AI Pro R9700. And the community backs this up. Over on Reddit's r-local LLAMA, users confirmed it, quote, actually fits on a single RTX 3090, while Unsloth's Daniel Hahn says it runs in as little as 18 gigabytes of memory. The key thing to understand is what it's built for. This isn't just another chatbot. Muse Glimmer is designed for always-on local agents, tool calling, multi-step reasoning, coding, and even recovering from its own failures. So does it live up to the hype? Meta pits Glimmer against Google's Gemma 431B and Alibaba's Qwen 3.627B. The consensus from the benchmarks is that it leads on agentic and reasoning tests. It scored 75.5 on MCP Atlas versus 54.2 and 62.5 for its rivals, and a very strong 94.7 on AIME 2026 for math reasoning. But I'm not here to hype, so here's the honest catch. It trails Qwen on computer use and terminal tasks, scoring 65.9 versus 75.6 on OSWorld verified. And the community verdict is genuinely split. Some Reddit users bluntly say it's still not better than Qwen 3.627B, so the real-world jury is still out. My honest takeaway from all the data, it wins on agent orchestration and reasoning, but it's a dense model rather than a mixture of experts' design, so it isn't the fastest option you can run. So here's the bottom line. Muse Glimmer marks Meta's return to open source with a genuinely capable local AI agent that fits on hardware you may already own. It shines at agentic reasoning and tool use, offers full privacy with no cloud token bills, and you can try it today through Allama, LM Studio, Llama-.-CPP, or Unsloth's GGUF files. Being an AI channel with no sponsors, I'll say it straight. The benchmarks are impressive, but the community is still testing whether it truly beats Qwen. It's early days. Still, this is one of the most exciting open releases of the year, and if Muse Spark 1.2 arrives as promised, it could be even bigger. If you want honest, deeply researched AI breakdowns with zero hype and zero sponsors, subscribe. It genuinely helps this new channel grow. Drop a comment and tell me, are you running Muse Glimmer on your own machine? I'd love to hear your tokens per second numbers. And if this saved you from reading 29 sources yourself, Hit that like button and tap the bell so you're first to know when the Muse Spark 1.2 weights drop.